is an amazing thing. When you solve problems that you have gone through, all right, and you've been able to find solution to it, it becomes a major selling point that you can actually make a lot of money from. And there are two major things I look out for when people are rushing something. Everybody is now doing YouTube ads. So what can I do? Okay, let me sell shovel for them. Because in every gold rush, you must sell shovel. So there has to be something you can teach people to allow them, get the kind of result that you have gotten. Okay, so everyone here who has made one, okay, the minimum you would have made on learnoflix would be $9. If you have made $9 on learnoflix, you can teach a course. Well, and what is the course? How I made $9 in a day. As simple as that, but that may sound ridiculous, but you can make it a free course. And at the end of that course, you give them a link to join learnoflix or buy some other courses and all of that. And as simple as that, they start to make money. Let me blow your mind and give you a secret that many of you do not know yet. By the time we start selling different courses and offer on the platform, do you know that if you refer a student, I'm saying this because most of you are affiliates, all right? As a matter of fact, everybody on live with me, you are all affiliates. Maybe somebody who's watching the recording later might not be an affiliate. But as an affiliate, every affiliate you sponsor, when they buy a course, all right, when any of those affiliates buys a course, you are going to earn a commission on that course. Now, when they buy another course, you will earn another commission. When they buy another course again, you keep earning. Now, when you refer students to buy a course, and that student buys a course and sees another course that attracts him or her and decides to buy it, you would also get commission. For example, someone like me, most of my courses are going to upsell another one. All right. This course is going to upsell this one, that one. For example, if I teach a course on MLM strategy, how to grow your network marketing business online, I'm most likely going to upsell them an email marketing course that's also on learnoflix. I'm most likely going to upsell them a digital marketing course. You understand the gig. Now, what that means is if you are the one who sold the MLM course to the students, and the student decide to take my upsell, and my upsell most times are going to be more expensive than the initial course. All right, so let's say the MLM course is 20K, you are getting 10K commission because it's 50%. Now, inside it, I upsell done for you service. All right, who are the people unmuting themselves now? Why are you people trying it? Be cool. All right. Let's say I upsell another course that is worth 300,000 and I decide to give you 50%. That's 150K that you did not work for. You are sleeping and then it comes to you. So you will all understand that this traffic generating thing we are doing is an amazing, amazing wealth creation engine or machine. Why? You set it up once, every traffic you're sending to the platform that's buying a course or taking a training, when they go through those trainings and decide to buy another one, you can make more money. All right. So it's just something that I remember today, and I've not mentioned it. I'll probably still mention it by 9 p.m. later on during the general session. But let's get into why we're here. I think we have a good number now, and others may be privileged to watch this later. So what I want to quickly do is to show you how to register on the websites. How many of you know that learnoflix has 3 websites? Type 3 if you know. If you do not know, type 1, because I'm sure you know learnoflix.com. If you know that we have 3 websites, type 3. Ada, good. David, good. The rest, 1. Okay, we have 3 websites. There are 3 in one website. As a matter of fact, the website all of you have been visiting is the wrong website. The website you all should visit is learnoflixaffiliates.com, not learnoflix.com. That's the affiliate website, learnoflixaffiliates.com. That's the website you should visit. But of course, that's not why we are here today. Why we are here today is about this other website. I don't know why this thing is here on this part, but nonetheless, this is it. Okay, I think this is I might need to do what they call. Okay, can you all see my screen? Okay, so Now I'm sure nobody will unmute unnecessarily. Okay, can you all see my screen? So this is the website. It is okay. I think I should join the meeting here. Okay. Oh, we're recording, so I need to speak fast. All right. So the website is ecoachlive.com. Somebody type it on the charts. This is ecoachlive.com. That is the website in case you do not know it yet. ecoachlive.com. All right. Can you all still hear me? I'm doing mic test here. If you can hear me, type 1. Thank you. So ecoachlive.com, all right? That's what you will visit, okay? It has a more attractive backend. So what you want to do is come to sign up. So you click on sign up and you register. So you can visit the site, see it's very beautiful, it has a lot of amazing things and everything. Okay, so ecoachlive.com. So this is the registration form right here. So I have to put an email. Let me put, what email will I put now? Okay, let me use this email. I've not used this before. Come on, come on, come on. I am Sam Harvard at gmail.com. Okay. Don't get anything. All right, so you put your email. We have to create password. So I don't want you people to see my password. What am I going to do? Okay, it's not showing. Beautiful. So let's do password. Oh, it didn't typo. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, password is done. So first name, let's use some old name. I'm just gonna use Sam. Okay, let's do it this way. Coach. All right. Now, this name you are using is important if you have, because this is the name that is going to appear with every course that you create. So it's important that you use the name you want on display. So for example, if your real name is different from your business name or your coach name, all right, so you may want to, okay, so I'm just going to use Coach Sam or Sam Coach. I hope it will bring Coach before Sam later on. I hope so. All right, so that's what I want to use. Now, there are two types of accounts. All right, there are two types of registration on eCoach Live. The first one is free, and the second one, you pay a subscription that is billed annually, and that is $1,000, 500,000 naira. If you pay us 500,000 naira, any course you sell, you carry the 100%, they go. Nobody will share except what you decide to give to affiliates, all right? But if you're coming for free, which all of you should, all right, you just select free, all right? Leave this option as it is, you don't have problem, and then you click on sign up. Okay, let me try and save this. And ta-da, can you see the back office? Is it beautiful? Can you see the back office? All right, feel free to zoom in with your finger. Let me remove annotation so that nobody will go and draw on the screen. So feel free to zoom in so that you see the different sides of the page. All right, so this is what the page looks like. All right, and so now that you are here, you have your dashboard. Let me quickly just do a run through of everything we have as the coach on the coach platform. All right, this is different from your affiliate stuff we are used to. All right, okay, so you have the course. This will count the number of courses you have put on the platform. You have approved. This is the number of courses that's been approved and awaiting approval. These are the number of courses that is awaiting approval. Now you have your sales data here. This is a graph. It's an histogram. So it's going to show you every day how much sales you are making. All right. Right now, this is a new account. There is no sales. All right. So we have latest courses. So your course title, the category of the course, the type, and the action. And then you have course creation report for the number of courses you have created. So with this account, you can create 100 courses as you like. If you just think, how to dance shaku shaku, you just create a course on how to dance shaku shaku. You come and put it here. Well, learnoflix reserve or ecoachlive reserves the right to either approve or disapprove your course. So, but of course, we're going to look at it and all that. So later on, you're going to be able to create either video course or ebook course. For now, that is what we have. So you have invoices. This also manages, it manages your, you can have dance video. Why not? Like if you are Kafi, you can come and teach. There's a friend that wants to teach modeling, how to walk like a cat and all those things. She'll do the video and put it here. And Nigerians might not value it, but other countries, they're going to buy and they're going to pay big for these courses. All right. You know how to do Ankara, shoes, bracelets, everything. You want to teach all of these things. There are people who are going to buy these things all over the world. Okay. So it's amazing. So you have the number of invoice, questions that your students are asking you. All right. You see the list of those questions here. And then you have the numbers of videos that you have. So that's basically about your dashboard. All right. The next section here is your video course. When we have the ebook, you're going to have the ebook courses, but these are video courses. So right here, you have courses, you have video multiple choice questions. All right. And then you have course materials. So if you want to give them some materials that can download, they want to study and all of that. And then you have course extra links. Which are, if you want to give them links to click to do something and all of that, you can click on any of these things. And then we have the coach training. Now, as a coach that creates training, there is a need for you also to learn a few things. How do you package your course? What course should you create? How many courses should you create? Can you break your course into pieces and sell one first, very cheap, so that people build a trust with you, and then you upsell them to a bigger course, etc., etc. Oh, if your course you think is too expensive, how can you create a smaller version of it to attract people? And then inside that course, where you give them enough value, you can now sell the bigger one. So then, for example, if you trade Forex and you know that you normally charge $500 minimum to train somebody, and even on video courses, but you know, if you're charging $500 upfront, your course is going to stand out on learnoflix, all right? And a lot of people might not want to buy immediately because they don't know you that much. So what would you do? You can create a course of $5 or $10, all right, on Forex. My unique strategy on Forex that can make a beginner make money and never lose in Forex. This will blow your mind. That's your course title. And then you put it out there for $5 or $10 and people start rushing it and they are buying. Now, when they get to the course, you just tell them testimonial and show them stories. And I say, you want to really learn? Oh yeah, click here, it's $500. You understand? So now you have upsold them to the $500 course. So all of these trainings and information you're going to find here. So as a course creator, you can buy courses. All right. This is where you shop for courses. This is where the courses you have bought will be. Tutorial marketplace where you shop. Tutorial purchase tutorials are the courses you have created. Now, one of the best ways to sell a course, all right, one of the best way to sell a course, all right, is through webinars. And that's why we have webinars and promotions here. Okay. So here you can click on manage webinar. All right, you can edit webinars here. So all of your webinars, I think there's a part where you can create the webinar. Where are you? Okay, I think it's probably on manage webinar. So if you click on that, you can create a webinar for any of the courses that you have created. You can have multiple webinars if you like for any of the courses that you have created to be able to market it, and then you can edit it and all of that. And here you have your students. All right, this is where you get the data to your students. So here you have all your students. You can send them messages, all kinds of things to them, and send newsletter. This is where you do your email marketing for all your students, and then report and commission. Money is important. Somebody type money. Type money. Money, money, money. All right, so this is where you get your sales report, how many sales you have made. All right, this is where you see your earning reports and commission payouts. So this is where you request payout and every other thing like that. So as coaches, you can request payout just like affiliates are already doing. All right, you can get your earnings most on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or as much as you like, you can get all of those things. So this is everything that you need to put your courses on Learnoflix. So I want everybody to register on ecoachlive. There is no referral here. All right, at least for now. Maybe very soon we have referral. But for right now, there is no referral. So you're not going to make any money by referring somebody. That's why I'm not giving all of you a link so that I can chop money on all of you, but it's free. All right, so just go there, register for free, and you have access to this dashboard. So you log into this from ecoachlive.com. You go to log in, and then you'll be able to log in. And then when you have access to that, the first thing you want to do is to come to courses. All right, come to courses. That's the first thing you want to do. Yeah, company is going to charge 20%. I think I didn't mention that at the registration point. If you select free, company is going to charge 20%. So you understand it better now, because this is very important when you are setting up a course. All right, so this is where you set up a course. Somebody give me a title of a course I should create. I want to try and create something that looks like a course. Anybody type a title. It could be yours. You've been thinking about the title of the course that you want to create. Type it for me and let me, all right. If you have a course that you want to create, give me a title and then let me quickly use your title. Okay. At that place, you can post the URL for them so that they will. What's the title of your course? Somebody just type beverage. Which one is beverage? You want to buy me beverage? Okay, so that's the URL, ecoachlive.com. That's where you register. Okay. Everything is free. Free, 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 very free. Okay. So the 5 ways to unlimited sponsoring. From struggling entrepreneur to successful business owner. Trade and make money course. Not mine, just for easy exercise to do as a pregnant woman. Oh, I like this. I like this. This is nice. So let's do this. The challenge with this is the category would not be available. So let's, the category is currently not available. We're going to set more categories later on. So let me pick something that okay, so let's pick the first person that Tochuku, 5 ways to unlimited sponsoring. I think that's I don't understand this course though, but you have to change this kind of you have to change this kind of title. All right, so the first thing is the categories. There are going to be lots of categories later on, but for the tests that we have been doing, we only created a few, okay? So sponsoring will be under sales and marketing. So you select sales and marketing. Your course is supposed to have an image. They have given you the dimension of the image here, 650 pixel by 500 pixel, all right? So I don't know how you're going to get to understand that, but there might have to be a tutorial where you can get that. Okay, so you upload the image. Let me just click here and look for any kind of image. Let me look for any kind of image. Okay, so let's use David's David's bros something. So I put it there. Thank God it accepted it. So now, do you want this cost payment to be one-off, or do you want the cost to be subscription-based? Do you want it to be one-off, or do you want it to be subscription-based? So you select if you want one-off or you want a subscription. So you click on one-off, which means they pay once and then they go. All right. Now we've gotten to the big part. This is where you set the price for your course. All right. In setting up your price, you put a little bit something here. So consider affiliate commission while setting up your course. Okay. I think there's supposed to be a place to select if you want affiliate commission. Okay. Yeah. It's normal. It's here. Anyway, you set the price. So Tochuku, how much do you want us to sell this course? How much do you want us to sell this course? Are you there? Also, can somebody help me? How much do you think we should sell this our course? How much? How much? How much? How much? I'm waiting. Okay, $50. Thank you, Ada. So right here, you type 50. Don't go and type Naira. Everything you are doing is in dollars. $50. All right. So you typed $50. Now you want to decide how many percentage you want to give affiliates. Now, this is the tricky part in this. If the amount you are giving to affiliate is small, they will not be motivated to market your course. If the amount is big, they will be motivated to market your course. So the simple thing there is that you also register to become an affiliate so that you can also market your course and chop all your affiliate commission back when you are doing your own marketing. But if you want to set up a course that you would not necessarily market, just want to leave it there, then you don't need to worry, all right, about that. And so me, I would naturally advise that you do between 30 to 50%. Okay, so in this kind of course, I want to put 50%, so I type another 50. Okay, so now I come to the title of the course. What was the title again? 5 ways to unlimited sponsoring. Okay, so I can put tags here like traffic, secrets, all right, comma, affiliates, marketing. These are things that are going to help your course to rank on learnoflix platform. We are also like Google. There is SEO, so you want to rank based on tags. So you want to put it there. You want to put sales, all right. You want to put sales. You want to put maybe digital marketing. Okay, so this is enough. All right. So right now you want to create an introductory video. All right. Now this is another part that is very, very important. Introductory video. All right. So the only way you can put your video on ecoachlive is to first of all upload that video on Vimeo. All right, so you must have uploaded that video on Vimeo. So you now copy an embed link. All right, I'm going to show you how that works right now. So let me quickly add to Vimeo and then show you a thing or two. Where's Safari? Safari. All right, here we go. So let me go to Vimeo and show you a thing or two on Vimeo. So I'm just going to copy any kind of link on Vimeo and use it, but I want to just show you what Vimeo looks like. So what this means is learnoflix does not want to own your property. So you are not uploading your video to us. So your videos are not on our server. You own full rights to your own intellectual property. Okay, so you put your video on a third-party platform and then you bring the link to us, and that link is what you are able to use. Okay, so normally I think the basic plan of Vimeo should work with about $7 or something. So, but I've not tried the free version, but I will check if it can work as well. But basically, when you upload your video on Vimeo through this blue button on the top right of the screen right now, all right, you upload it. I'm trying to review all the videos that I have. So let's just pick this first one that we are seeing. So I'll click on it, it will open, and then I want to use it to show you. All right, I want to use that particular video to show you what we should do. How many of you are learning something? If you are understanding what I'm saying, type 1. If you are not understanding, type 2. Okay, Ada said the free version works well. Good. So if you're understanding, type 1. Good, thank you. Please be following it small. Nonetheless, I'm recording this so you can watch it later. All right, now this is what I want to show you. This is where we are going. You can see this is the link to the video, but this is not the link we are using. We want to use a link that starts with player.vimeo.com, and that link is called Embed link. So what do? You come to Embed on the left-hand side of your screen. You click on Embed, all right, and then it's going to reload the page for you. Okay, so when it's done reloading, I will now show you where to copy the link that we want to use. Now we are here. Now the embed has opened, but this is still not what we want to use. So where do we want to go to? You come to embed code on top of the video here. So when you come here, you see all of this link. We don't need everything. So you want to start with where HTTPS begins. All right. You can see a quotation mark. So you start just after the quotation mark, you start from the H and come to the last number before the second quotation mark. So this, you now right click and then copy, or do Control C or Command C if you're using Mac. All right. So this is the link that we need every time. All right. So that's basically how that works. So where's my Firefox? So let's get back to where we were before. All right. Can you see the back end now? All right, beautiful. I think we are there. So intro video. So I will now paste it here. What I just copied, I will paste it here. You can see it is here. Now I will check the number of minutes of that video. Let's say it is 3 minutes, although the one I copied is 30 minutes. So I just put 30 minutes there. All right. Now, if I want to put any description, which is now my sales copy for my course, this is where I type it, and it's important. It's compulsory. You must type description, all right, for your course. So you can design it, make it look beautiful. So I can say 5 ways to, let me just copy this here. So I can select this and come here to style and make it header. And then I can now put it in the middle. All right. I can now decide to make it bold. Okay, it's already bold. Okay, make it bold. And then I can decide to give it color. So let's say I give it this color. So you can see. So I can now come down and decide to type other things. So welcome to my course. If you don't buy, I will hunt you. Hunt you every day. Okay, so you can type something like that, okay? And then you're good. All right, so we are now done setting up the course. So the next thing to do is to click on save. So what we have been able to do so far is to set up, okay, I think it's loading, is to set up the course, and you will now begin to add videos under the course, which is the next thing to do. So basically, this is what everybody needs to do. So you can just register, log in, decide the title of your course, do all of these things and set it up. If your category is not there, you can send a message so that we can quickly create it for you, but we're going to put more categories, I think, this week. Please, Ada, remind me of that. So we'll put more categories and then we are good. Now this course is set. The draft of the course is set, all right? But it's not on learnoflix yet, though. It's not published yet. So the next thing to now do is to come to video. All right, under video is where you want to now start adding video. So I'm just going to run you through this. I'm not necessarily going to set it up. So you want a parent video. There's no parent video. This is the first video. So you will leave that place. The course that the video is going to be under is the 5 ways to unlimited. You don't have any other course. So that's the only one you are going to see. You write the title of that video, which is introduction, for example. All right. If that first video, all right, has an image, all right, you can put the image. I think the image is compulsory, so you have to have an image. You can use the same image you use for the major course, all right. How long is this first video? It is a 10-minute video, for example. How many number of days? Now, this is where the error that made the 7-figure affiliate course not to start the same day you enroll to happen. So if this thing is set to 1 day, which is what happened to that first video, the course will not start until after 24 hours. So you can put yours at 0, depending. If you want everybody to wait for 10 days before they access your course, you put it there. We can put it at 0. Now, why we put this here is there are some courses that people will set up that they want it to be 10 days challenge. And they don't want somebody that is very sharp and fast, that the blood they hot. The person will just register and watch all the videos in 10 minutes or in 1 hour, depending. So you want them to watch video 1, day 1, and wait by fire by force for the next day. So when you are setting first video, you put it at 0, second video, you put it at 1, which means they wait for 1 day before they can watch second video. All right. So that is what this stands for. Now, this is where you put the link for the particular video. I've cleared just the same way I did it on Vimeo. So you upload the first video also on Vimeo, you copy that embed link and you put it here. And here you set it as published, okay? But when you publish it here, it's going to publish it into the course, but not on learnoflix yet, all right? So once you do that, you come to the description of the video, you set it up, all right? When you are done, you save it. Now, each video on your course, you can set a multiple choice question and answer. That at the 14th minute of this video, I mentioned that when you want to cook rice, the first thing you put in the pot is rice, and then you start frying the rice, all right? You now say, is it true or false? Option A, true. Option B, false. You know, so you want to make your students have a school experience taking multiple choice questions, and the system is going to grade them because you will set the right answer, you will set the grading, you will do all of those things so that the students will know that, I failed, though, let me take the course again. As a matter of fact, I think there's an option that will not allow them go to the next video if they did not pass the question that you gave them initially. So you can even get a school to come and create a course on this platform. It's very easy and simple. They take the multiple choice question test, which the teacher can decide to set in later day. You can decide to set it immediately. So it will grade them immediately and they're not losing anything. I mean, you can't even cheat. So it has its own computer-based tests and all of that. Then you can upload material for the course. You can upload links for the course and everything. So moment you're done with your course, you come back to courses and then you push it for approval. And then you wait for it to be approved. The moment it's approved, your course will now be published on learnoflix and people will start to sell it for you and you start to make a lot of money. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what I want to quickly show you all. If you have questions, this is the time to raise up your beautiful yellow hand and quickly speak. I would only take 3 people. Others, type it and I'll probably read it. So if you have a question, raise your beautiful yellow hand so that I can unmute you. And okay, I can see Precious. Your hand is up. Precious Chima Obi, do you want to say something? Miss Tura, please raise.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Precious, yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Actually, sir, God bless you, sir.
Amen.
What I wanted to say was, actually, it's not from this course that I wanted to ask the question.
Okay.
So I don't know if I can go ahead.
Make it brief.
Okay. What I wanted to say was because I've been having issues with my ads.google.com. It's not bringing the expert mode. In fact, the 3 emails I use, they are not working. So I don't know if there's anybody that can help me out. At least Sister Ada has tried a lot. She has showed me so many ways, but it's just not bringing out the expert mode under. So I don't know what next to do. And virtually everything has to do with, it has to go through Google Ads.
Okay,
so
that's very easy. Somebody sent me a similar message and I told the person to just keep on following, just following whatever they are showing you. And eventually the person got to expert. I think Google have multiple console. So the console you are seeing might be different from the generic one that we were teaching with. So the person who sent me a message was actually at a cyber cafe. So some of these computers and browser and whatever are old. So what they are giving you might naturally be different from what we are seeing on the computer. But in the interim, there is already a training on how to do this on your mobile phone. So you could actually go ahead and do it on your mobile phone. Download Muffin, or is it Muffin or Puffin browser, and then work on it, and you'll be able to get it. I think we'll talk more about
I did that today, sir.
Yeah, we'll talk more about that by 9 p.m. I want to take other questions that are about what we just showed. All right. So you can wait till 9 p.m. I think we'll address it more by 9
Sorry,
p.m.
boss, can I respond? Can I respond?
Okay, quickly. Go ahead.
Can I respond to his question?
Yeah, go ahead, David.
All right, so there's a way you can do it without, okay, fine. So someone had the same issue today. I was able to help him to switch back to expert mode. So it's possible that the reason why it's showing that is because you must have tried it yourself before, prior to this time, right? So you need to finish up, all right? Do as if you are completing the ad. It's on Smart Campaign. And Smart Campaign can only show you where you get to run ads, showing pictures and all that. So you need to complete it, then your Google Ads dashboard, then click on settings. You see where you can switch back to expert mode. Do you get it? You can chat me up, I'll show you how to do it one-on-one.
All right. Okay, so let's take Mistura. Mistura, what was your own question? Mistura Taiwo Bashron, are you there?
Oh, good afternoon. Good evening, sorry.
Yeah, good evening. Please go ahead.
Yeah, my question is there what kind of things particularly can we teach on learnoflix? Like, can we teach other things like you said, dance video? Will there be something specific that we are not allowed to teach? So we don't just start uploading videos that will not be approved.
There's no restriction except you are teaching how to kill people, how to do illegal things, which like killing people, smoking, all those kind of things. But any other thing that is not breaking the law, the general global law, you are free to teach them. All right. So, and it doesn't matter if 500 people are teaching exactly the same thing. No, it doesn't matter.
Oh, that's
all right. So don't say, somebody already has affiliate marketing training on learnoflix. I will not create it. I go to Udemy now, type affiliate marketing. You'll be shocked. So it's a survival of the fittest. So it is the one that is wise among them that will make the course. For example, this is one of the tricks I'm going to teach for those of you who are going to probably pay for my training later on how to set up a course. This is one of the tricks. I can put a course on learnoflix for 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira and give 80% or 100% to affiliates. But inside that course, I'm going to upsell something bigger to the people, and that's where I'm making my own money. So the course on learnoflix is not really where I intend to make money. It is the course that I'm going to upsell them. That is where I'm going to make my money. So I'm going to now use that big money that I push to affiliates to let them sell my course more than other people's courses. It's as simple as that. So that's another strategy. So you can also create your own course and give your students that are buying your course bonuses, other courses as bonus. You just have to compete. As simple as that. And because learnoflix is going to be marketing your course, affiliate is going to be marketing your course, and you can decide to market your own course too. So how then do you want? learnoflix naturally will market everybody's course because we're just going to keep marketing the marketplace, market it. So people come there and then they can come and pick any kind of course that they want to buy. But of course, the affiliates need a lot of things to encourage them to pick your own course to be able to sell. It's as simple as that. Does that answer your question?
Okay, so I want to ask for ebook too. If it's not a video course and it's an ebook to start with, how do I do it? Do I have to also create an introductory ebook at first, or?
No. You can create an introductory video or use a sales letter to sell your ebook. The only difference is by the time your course is being delivered, it is not in video format. It is in ebook format. That's the only difference. Every other thing can be the same. All right. So you don't need introductory ebook. It could be introductory video. All right. And if you don't know how to do video, write a script. Write a script. Go on Fiverr. You will find all kinds of human beings They will help you talk about your book like it's crazy. Remember, you are not
Yeah, I think I
selling
have someone that
only
can help me do
Nigeria.
that.
You are selling all over the world. So you want your advert video, your introductory video to be catchy and crazy. All right. So you can do all kinds of things. You can use whiteboard animation, a whiteboard animation video to introduce your book. So that way they will not actually say, are you the person who owns the book or what have you? So there are different things you can do in that content. You people are making me say things that you're supposed to pay for. All right, Ms. Tura, thank you. Let's pick someone else.
Okay. Bye.
All right, Tochukwu. Tochukwu, please unmute yourself.
All right.
I said I was taking 3 people. I'm seeing plenty hands. I bind all of you. I will not allow you to talk. Tochukwu, please go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Evening.
Yeah, can you hear me from your end?
Yeah, I can hear you. Your voice is low, though. Bring it up.
All right. All right. Very impressed. I'm very happy for this evening. Although the question I had wanted to ask, you already answered it. That's exactly what Ms. Tura just asked now.
Oh, okay.
So I think I'm already clarified. Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Thank you. All right, Lance. Are you there? Lance Matt. Lance Matt, are you there?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My question is, can we use ebooks to convert into a course? Is that possible? Like ebooks that are like that is free to use, like they give you license to it, can we convert it to a course?
Of course. Yes, you
and
can.
resell it?
Yes, you can.
Okay, okay.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So don't worry. Later, we're going to
That's
have
my
trainings on how to get other people's written ebook that already are selling like fire. How you can download it, rebrand it for your own name, and come and post it on learnoflix. So you
Okay,
don't
sir.
even need to, create it on your own. So we're going to have trainings on that. And what I just said is a course title for somebody. So if you know about it, go and create a video on how to go and get ebooks, different places and all that, and package it as a course on. So learnoflix doesn't have to create that course as inbuilt course anymore.
Okay, sir.
It is your own that everybody will be selling. So if you know how to get other people's courses, all right, and then convert it to ebook, come and teach it. It's simple. You grab. Thank you. All right. I think the last hand I'm seeing here is Praise Ja Omeje. All right, Praise Ja, are you online?
Yeah, okay. My question is, are we required to host the video courses on our website with a unique domain name, or are we hosting it on the ecoachlive site?
The video course? I didn't get the question clearly.
Okay, my question is, we can create both ebook courses and video courses, right?
Yes. Yes, you can.
Hello?
Yes, you can. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
My question is, yeah, I can hear you. My question is, can we create both video courses and ebook courses, like courses on the form of ebooks and also video courses?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Then my question is, those video courses, are we hosting it on our independent website with unique domain names, or are we just hosting it on ecoachlive website?
Okay, here's the deal. You don't have to. What you do is you host your video on Vimeo. It's only Vimeo that is currently accepted on ecoachlive. Only Vimeo videos, not YouTube, not any other platform. So you have to first open a Vimeo account, upload your videos there. Then that link, the way I showed you, the player.vimeo.com/number, that embed link is what you now bring into ecoachlive and upload. All right, so once you put that link, it's going to show it. So all the videos you're watching your back office, that's how we did it, okay? So that's the only thing. Now, where your own website comes in is when you want to market your course by yourself. You can go and create a website and link it to your course link. There's a course link given to you when your course is done, when you're done creating your course, that leads people directly to your course sales page on learnoflix. Okay, so you can do that easily and now market people to your website, which now becomes your own landing page, and from there they can go. But if you don't want to go through all of that, just set up the course and leave the rest to affiliates. You can also now use your own affiliate status to market your own course. So either way, you are still making your sales. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Please, I'm just joining this meeting. Will there be a replay of it? Yes, we're recording it. All right. So Tochukwu, kindly finish up on that course since you have it already. Beautiful. So everybody can create different courses and all of that, and then you'll be able to teach it. So I expect you, while you are working on your articles, please be working on your courses as well. All right. If there's any need for any other help, we're going to put you through on all of that. So thank you, everybody. I need to prepare for tonight's class. It's going to be mind-blowing. So I'll see you all at 9 p.m. Thank you.